हेलो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, वेलकम टू एसटीम मीडिया। आज के वीडियो में बात करेंगे हाउ टू यूज रीटारगेटिंग ऑन फेसबुक।
Hello, my name is Ashwani Thakur. I help entrepreneurs grow their business with digital marketing and video advertising. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.
Now, we have heard it a lot of times what is retargeting, but retargeting is like, I always say, the riches is in the niches. I mean, I'm not saying it, I've learned it, so I'm sharing with you that the riches are in the niches. Yani ki if you go in the niche, that's where the riches are, but the fortune is in the follow up. The riches is in the niches, but the fortune is in follow up. That means if you have the niche ready for your customer, that is where you will get your customers. And if you go broad, you will not be able to get the right customer. If you go in niche, you will be able to acquire quality customers and make more sales. However, if you retarget, if you follow up with the customer, that is where you will get the actual return on your investment. So when you run ads, retargeting is a must. So I always, when we set up ads for our clients, or when my community members set up their ads, I always ask them, as soon as you launch your ad, you must have a retargeting ad campaign ready. That is very important. So in simple words, what is a retargeting ad? A retargeting ad is when you show the ad to those people who have visited your website, your landing page, or any page that you own. That is a retargeting ad. The benefit of retargeting ad, which is a real benefit, is that we know Facebook, I'm talking about Facebook retargeting, by the way. We know that Facebook, almost everyone that you know there uses Facebook. So if someone has visited your website or your landing page through any source, through organic or paid source, through Google, through YouTube, through LinkedIn, wherever they have come to your website, your landing page, you can retarget them to Facebook because you know they will be logging into Facebook. They are a Facebook user. And that is where the magic is. You are reminding the customer about your product or service. I use this, a lot of my clients use this. For example, for my high ticket clients, where I give services, where I run ads for the clients, I get those clients from LinkedIn. I do not get those, I do not target them on Facebook too much. I get those clients from LinkedIn. But those people, I cannot target those quality customers on Facebook very easily. It's costly, plus it's difficult. On LinkedIn, it is very easy. It costs more, but it is very easy to target those high quality customers, clients on LinkedIn. So what I do is I target them on LinkedIn. Once they visit my website, either they connect with us. If they do not connect with us, if they do not fill the form, I retarget them on Facebook. So I'm not directly connecting with them on Facebook. Understand that. I'm not directly searching them on Facebook. I am retargeting them through Facebook. The initial source, the cold customer, you can say, they came through LinkedIn, but now I'm retargeting on Facebook. This is the magic. Now I'm able to, the more you see, the more you are seen by your customer, the more the customer recognizes you, your brand, your face, your logo, your company, and then they will take action. So this is the power of retargeting. That first of all, if you run ads only on Facebook, obviously you will use retargeting. But even if you're not using Facebook, you are using Google or any source, still you can add a retargeting campaign. The best thing is that in case, let's say I'm retargeting people who visited my website through Google ads. Let's say 70% of those people or 30% of those people are not using Facebook. That's not a problem, because those 70% who are using Facebook, only they will see my retargeting ad. So I'm not burning my money. I'm not wasting my money. My money will only be spent if the user of Facebook sees that. So out of all the people who come to my website, if someone does not have Facebook account, that does not matter. That's not a problem for me. I just have to make sure I have one active retargeting ad campaign ready. I repeat.
Master, tell me the cheapest and the best way to promote my business.
Get a video made from EsTeam Media and take your business to new heights. That's right, with the help of a video, you can promote your business 24/7 on platforms like Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp and more. The era of newspaper, radio and TV has passed. Wherever your customers' eyes are, you should be there too. That's why get your business video today and promote your business in a digital way.
Always, if you're using paid marketing, even if inorganic, always have one paid retargeting campaign on Facebook active throughout the year. And the purpose of that campaign is to retarget those people who are already, who have visited your website. So your funnel is always retargeting. So every day there are new people coming on your website, and every day Facebook is showing your retargeting ad to them. And I will create another video where I will tell you, because I have already made a video how to create an ad. I will make another video where I will explain you what are the things, what are the changes you need to make in retargeting ads. Because in retargeting ad, you have to have a little bit different wordings and different call to action, different kind of communication with the customer. The image ad, the video ad, the text should be a little bit different, because the way you talk with a new customer is different. The way you talk with a customer who you already know is different. So there is a little bit difference in you talk. You can even say something like, still confused. We saw that you visited our website. Are you still looking for this? So you can even straight away ask the question, or you can show your, more unique selling points about your company, your business, your product. And then you can use the retargeting thing. I will quickly show you. I have created already a video how to create Facebook ad, how to go through all the parts of Facebook ad campaign. So I will not go in detail, but I will quickly show you how to set up the retargeting campaign immediately. So let me share my screen with you. Okay, so first of all, you have to log into your business manager. If you don't know how to log in, how to create, watch my other video for business manager. Once you go to the business manager, go to audiences, and then click on create audience and go to custom audience. Click on website, click on next. Now, the important thing is you will see green dot here. You are seeing red because this is a test account. So what you are doing here is that, why are you retargeting? First of all, you are retargeting because you know someone visited your landing page, but they did not accept your offer. They did not buy your product or did not fill the form. For example, I have a landing page. Let's say this is my landing page. Okay, this is my landing page. And someone who visited this landing page, if they fill this form, they will go to my thank you page. So let's say, I will not take you to my thank you page, but let's say this is my thank you page. Okay. This page is my thank you page. Now, this is the landing page, agency.stmedia.com. Thank you page is dm.stmedia.com. If someone fills a form on this page, they will go to this page. If someone does not fill a form, they will not go to this page. So what I have to do is I have to tell Facebook that create an audience of all the people who visited my landing page but did not go to my thank you page. That means all the people who did not accept my offer, they will be added in that audience. So the first step is to create that audience, and that audience can be 30-day audience, 60-day audience, up to 180 days. So let me create an audience of 30 days. So what I'm saying is, if you have only one website, you will go with all website visitors. If you have multiple websites and you have your pixel installed on multiple websites, first you will select people who visited specific web pages. So, and I'm taking 30-day example. You can take it 60 days up to 180 days. So you can change that. You can create multiple audiences. So what I'm doing is I'm telling Facebook events, people who visited specific web pages. So this is my landing page. So I will write equals URL equals this. So it means all the people in the last 30 days who have visited this website will be added in this audience. That's the first thing. Now, very important, you want to remove people who have filled the form, because those people who have accepted your offer, you don't want to retarget them. They are already there in your client list. They have already accepted your offer or filled the form, whatever. So you will click on exclude. Please remember, exclude, not include. Exclude. You will be removing people who visited the thank you page. If you do not understand the mathematics of this, don't worry, just follow exactly what I'm telling you. So you have to again click on exclude people, again click on events, people who visited specific web pages. Now URL equals thank you page. So on top you have written equals the landing page. At the bottom, exclude people, you have written the link of the thank you page. Now what Facebook will do is, all the people who visited your landing page will be added in the audience. All the people who visited the thank you page will be removed from that audience. So who is remaining now? All those people who did not accept your offer. That's the customer we want to retarget. Now simply go at the bottom, type audience name. You can type retarget. I usually do it this way. I write days. So like 30D. 30D means 30 days. 30D space hyphen. Let's say I have a funnel going on to, I'm selling toys. So toy retarget. So 30D toy retarget is the name of the audience. In description, I can type anything like what exactly is this for my if I want to remember it, and then click on create audience. Simple. That's it. You have now created the audience. You will see here, you will see all the audiences you have created, and you will see 30D toy retarget audience. And as people get increased in this audience, it will tell you how many people are there in this audience. So if there are 1,000 people, 10,000 people, 100,000 people, it will tell you how many people are there. Right now it shows below 1,000. Why? Because we don't have any audience here, and it shows ready over here. You must see when you set up, it should show ready. It will show when you do it correctly. So first step you have done. Now you have created an audience of 30 days who visited your landing page, did not fill the form or did not accept your offer. Second step is you have to go to Ads Manager and create a retargeting campaign that will run all the time. So click on create, go to conversions. Now there are other ways you can do. You can go with traffic, lead generation. You can retarget that way also, but I'm going with conversion, my favorite one. And there is another video where I explained all these different options. So here we will go with conversions. Name it anything. So toy retargeting, toy retarget campaign. People usually type the date and everything, or location also. If there is any specific location in your campaign, you can do that. Otherwise, just type toy retarget campaign. But here actually it's retargeting, so it can be from anywhere. You can specify location in ad set. So toy retarget retarget ad set and toy retargeting ad. Click on continue.
If you want to grow your business with digital marketing, Facebook and Instagram ads, then you must attend my complete Facebook ads and digital marketing workshop. Because once you complete this workshop, you won't need a digital marketer to promote your business. You will be able to do digital marketing for your business very easily on your own. For more details, please click the link in the description.
Now everything remains the same. Like I've already told you in a previous video how to upload video, image ad and video ad, how to write things on your image ad. I will not go in detail. All I want you to know in this video is that if you go to the ad set level, in the ad set level, you have to select the conversion, whatever the conversion you want. The main thing is you have to select the audience that you have created. So this is where you will see custom audience. So make sure you see in the right place, not like me. So go to custom audience, because the audience that we have created is a custom audience. So click on custom audience, and here you will select whatever custom audience that you selected. So I created an audience 30D toy retarget. That's it. So the only difference here is in your ad set level, the audience that I'm selecting is custom audience 30D toy retarget. That is it. When I do this and I set up this ad, all the people who are in that list, they will be retargeted. Only those people will see the ad who visited your website and did not accept the offer, whatever. And it can be from any platform. The magic is that it can be your customer could be someone coming from Facebook. The customer can be someone from organic medium or YouTube or LinkedIn, wherever. So this is very important. And this plays a very important role. I always advise my clients that even if you're not running ads on Facebook, use this, because this will be a game changer. Because even if the customer is from LinkedIn or anywhere, if they log into Facebook and if they have a Facebook account, they will see a retargeting ad, and immediately you will get an edge above your competition, and your customer will take an action. And you will see a lot of people take action after they see a retargeting ad. You are seeing, you might have seen my ads sometime in your Facebook also. You might have seen retargeting ad also. And even if you also have bought a lot of things on Facebook on using internet, you might have seen that you bought it after you saw multiple ads from them, isn't it? And the same psychology is with your customers, because as we are consumers, we are entrepreneurs, we also buy things. And that's the simple psychology of a consumer. If they see a product multiple times, they see multiple things about the product, multiple multiple ways, multiple, maybe sometimes you're showing the customer your testimonial, sometimes you're telling how you're better than others, sometimes you're just showing something educational to the customer. You are repeatedly showing yourself to the customer, then the customer will take action. You can create multiple retargeting ads also, but that will be shared with you in some other video. In this video, I just wanted to share with you how to use retargeting ad to grow your sales. And this can I can easily say that this can increase your lead to 3 to 4x. If you are not using retargeting, start using it. If you're not using Facebook, start using it. It will really help you. Thank you very much, and I wish you all the best.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button. And if you have any question or suggestion, please post a comment. I'll see you in the next video.